I wish to repair my much loved Washburn mandolin. I'd loaned it to a friend and it came back with a broken neck, split off here. It's quite weak at that point, and so I've reinforced it by machining in some ribs which will be to strengthen it. And now of course I want to shave it down very carefully, close to the shape, and then I'll use a sander to do the final shaping. And I think that the mini scraper is a really good tool for this, because when it's spinning, you can see right through it, and I can do the finest cuts, and it leaves a really good finish. So I think a great example of the sort of uses that you can use the turbo scraper for. So this is the end result. It's all beautiful and smooth. Doesn't look pretty, but I'll cover that with a bit of lacquer and I'll have a mandolin again.